Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is Thursday, June 6th. Here is what we are covering. Nvidia's market value has surged past $3 trillion, overtaking Apple to become the second most valuable publicly listed company. The chipmaker's share price rose more than 5% on Wednesday, driven by optimism about its position in the artificial intelligence sector. The company's explosive growth includes reporting $26 billion in sales for the 3 months ending April 28th. Nvidia's rapid ascent comes just before a planned stock split, which is expected to further boost demand. In a groundbreaking development, experts are exploring the potential of artificial intelligence to replace animal testing in scientific research. AI-driven models could revolutionize medical and cosmetic testing, offering more accurate and humane alternatives. Companies and researchers are increasingly investing in these technologies, hoping to eliminate the ethical concerns associated with animal testing. If successful, this shift could mark a monumental change in the research landscape. MIT and IBM have developed an AI method that helps viewers navigate directly to the most relevant parts of a video, promising to cut through the noise in online content. This method, which uses unlabeled instructional videos from YouTube, trains AI models to pinpoint the start and end times of specific actions, eliminating costly human annotation. Meanwhile, Video Summarizer AI and MindStamp aim to improve learning productivity by providing interactive, multilingual summaries of educational videos. As AI continues to advance, it's poised to revolutionize e-commerce, education, and even telemedicine by enhancing video-based experiences across sectors. SAP is set to acquire WalkMe to enhance its digital adoption platforms and support customer digital transformation. The acquisition, expected to close in the third quarter, will allow WalkMe's solutions to complement SAP's existing business transformation portfolio. WalkMe's AI-powered digital adoption tools will be integrated with SAP's Copilot, Joule, improving user guidance across multiple applications. Both companies highlight the significant growth and value this merger will unlock for their customers. Google Sheets has introduced conditional notifications, enabling users to set rules for receiving email alerts when specific changes occur in any document they have editing access to. This new feature makes it simpler to track updates, like changes to task statuses in project trackers or fluctuations in forecast analyses, without needing complex formulas or third-party tools. Unlike Excel, which may require some coding for similar notifications, Google's implementation appears more user-friendly and accessible. Although the feature began rolling out on June 4th, it will reach most Workspace accounts by June 18th, excluding free personal accounts. Stability. AI has unveiled Stable Audio Open, a new AI model designed to generate sounds and songs from text descriptions, exclusively using royalty-free recordings. Although the model can create drum beats, instrument riffs, and ambient noises, it cannot produce full songs, melodies, or high-quality vocals. The open-source release allows users to fine-tune the model with their own audio data, but prohibits commercial use. This move follows controversy within the company and mounting industry scrutiny regarding copyright implications in AI-generated music.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.